Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about SelectorHub extension, an amazing extension that makes finding locators easily in a Playwright. So let's begin. Create a new test file inside this test folder. Right click here, new file, and then enter file name login underscore page dot spec dot ts. After creating a new test file, let's add some common these lines. We need to add here import and expect remove all this code. And this test case is login with valid credentials. Open Chrome browser for adding SelectorHub extension. Open Chrome browser and search SelectorHub and then click on this link XPath plugin for Chrome. SelectorHub extension auto-generate and verify Playwright locators, XPath, and CSS selectors. Click on Add to Chrome. After clicking on Add to Chrome, you need to add this extension into a Chrome browser. Click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add extension. After adding this extension, you need to reopen browser for reflecting changes. As you can view, this extension has been added successfully. We can view this extension selector hub. Now I will show you how we can find the locator by using this extension. On hover, you can view locator plugins to auto generate and verify Playwright locators. Now navigate to this URL, open Chrome browser, and we need to reopen browser. So we will reopen browser, cancel this browser, and again open browser. After open browser, go to this URL and we will find the locator by using this extension. Right click here and here option available SelectorHub copy ID. You can copy ID name, copy relative path, and copy absolute XPath. For now, click on inspect and then you need to click on this one and then click on SelectorHub. As you can view here, two options available: standard selectors. If you are working with Selenium, so you can copy these locators, and if you want to find the locators for Playwright, just click on Playwright locators. After clicking on this, you can view get by role locator, get by placeholder, and locate by ID and name. Here multiple options are available. You can locate username, this username element by name ID. Now open VS Code and first navigate to this URL. We need to open this URL. So here we will use await page dot go to this URL and then await is used for ensure your script waits for an element or action to complete, keeping your automation flow smooth and stable. After navigating to this URL, what we need to do, we need to click on this username field. So right click here, inspect, and here we can locate this element by get by role, and other options also available here. We can locate by name, and here and other option available we can locate by ID. So here we will copy this name locator. We can locate by name. Just copy this one, open VS Code, await, and then enter this one. This is text box field. So here we will use dot fill for enter the text in username field. Now find the locator for password field, right click here, inspect, and here we can locate by name is equal to password. Await, and then enter this input name is equal to password, and then enter password. After enter password, we need to click on button, and the button is login. Right click here, inspect, and then copy this locator. Here you can view multiple options are available. We can click on this button by get by role. When we export and enter here await page dot get by role. You can remove this one, just use here click method for click on the button. Now enter username and password. You can format document, right click here and then click on format document. Enter first username. Username is admin, and then enter password. Password is admin123 and password. After clicking on this button, we can add here pause await page dot pause. Now save this file and run the test. Benefit of using SelectorHub: with SelectorHub, you can easily build smart and accurate selectors, debug XPath or XCSS issues, save time during test creation, and reduce locator errors. Now run the test, click on view and then click on terminal. Enter command here npx playwright test. Enter file name login underscore page dot spec dot ts. Headed project chromium. Click on enter and the test will be run. In this scenario, it will navigate to this URL, enter username, password, and then click on login button. Navigate to this URL and then enter username and then password. Click on login. As you can view here, dashboard, login successfully. We use here pause, so you can view here. We need to click on resume or F8. So that's how you can use SelectorHub and make your locator handling faster, easier, and more reliable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Playwright tutorials. See you in the next video.